Welcome to today's 12 Days of Craftmas. Today, we'll be making dreidel ornaments using our laser cutter in the studio. We will be using Xtool Studio to design our ornament. This is a free software that you can download at home on a computer or a laptop. To start, we're going to create a new project. On the left side panel, click on the plus icon to import the design. The design we're using today was created on Canva, a free software that you can use at home or in the library. Locate your design and select Open. The design will appear on the canvas. This next step is optional. I cropped my object selection box, or the blue box, to fit proportionally to the dreidel. This makes it easier to scale the design for later in the project. Next, we need to change the design to be able to cut the outline. To do this, select the design. On the upper panel, click Offset. An offset creates a proportionally larger or smaller layer of your design, almost like a border. This border is what will be our new cut lines. For this design, make sure External is checked. Then click Confirm. Select the offset lines and move it away from the original design. Select the original design and click Delete on your keyboard. Select the offset lines again. On the upper panel, select Edit Compound. This allows you to delete any unnecessary lines. Select the inner line and click Delete on your keyboard. Click Done when finished. Next, we are going to type our name for the ornament. On the left panel, select T for text. Your mouse will change into a text cursor. Select anywhere on the canvas for a text box. Your text box should be highlighted and says Hello. Next, begin typing your name. To change the font of your text, on the upper panel, click on Lotto. From here, you can choose from the list of fonts programmed in Xtool Studio. For this project, I'm going to use a handwriting script. After searching through all the fonts, I decided on using the font Cookie. Since I will be cutting this name, I want to make sure my letters are connected. First, I'm going to change my capital I to a lowercase I by double-clicking on my text. Notice how the letters are slightly overlapping. To change this, on the upper panel, select Weld. This brings together the text as shown on the screen. I'm now going to resize my text to fit within the ornament. Once resized, I need to add a hole for my ornament. On the left side panel, hover over the Shape tool, then select Circle. Your cursor will turn into a plus button. On the grid, left-click on your mouse, hold and drag across your screen to form a circle. I also held the Shift key to make it proportioned. Once finished, simply let go of your mouse. Drag the circle to position onto your ornament. We are now going to select our material in order to select the correct cut settings. All of the objects in this design will be cut. Continue fine-tuning your design to your desired size. Make sure you leave the name to the side of the ornament so they can be cut separately. Once you position your design on the material and your settings are correct, select Process. The machine will tell you how long the project will take. If everything looks good, click Start. Your project is now ready to be cut. After it is cut, you will need a paintbrush, paint palette, white and light blue acrylic paints, and glue for your ornament. The glue I'm using is Craft Super Glue. We also recommend using a wood glue. First, I place my project on top of a paper towel. Next, paint your ornament with the light blue paint. I ended up doing 2 even layers of paint on both sides of my ornament. While waiting for the ornament to dry, I painted the name with white acrylic paint. This may require a thinner brush to paint all of the intricate letters. Once your paint has dried, begin gluing the name to the center of the ornament. Once the glue has dried, Attach the ribbon or twine to your ornament. You have now finished your dreidel ornament. If you are interested in making this or any other wooden ornaments with the laser cutter, please book an appointment with the studio on our library's website. We hope you enjoyed this episode of 12 Days of Craftmas. We'll see you for the next one.